Hello everyone, my name is Gede Saputra. You can call me Aldi. Here I will explain about the direct method. Definition is number one, direct method. The direct method or direct method is a way of presenting foreign language subject matter where the teacher directly asks the foreign language as the language of instruction and without asking the language of the student at all in teaching. If there are words that are difficult for students to understand, the teacher can interpret them by asking profs demonstrating, describing, and order. The characteristics of this method are number one, the subject matter is first give word for word the syntax structure. Number two, grammar is taught only cautiously and students are not requested to memorize grammatical formats, but the main thing is that students are able to pronounce the language well. 3. In the teaching process, always as aids or prop in the form of directs, index, or article, objects, or demonstratives through curtain, scheme, balls, or movements. Number 4. After entering class, student are rarely conditioned to accept and converse in a foreign language and are prohibited from using other language. Direct method theory is number one, language theory. The theory of language which states that language is essentially a system for expressing meaning. This theory puts more emphasis on the semantic and communicative dimension. Therefore, in in language learning based on a communicative approach, what needs be implicit is language interaction and communication, not knowledge of language. Number two, theory of learning. Learning theory that is stable for this approach is the theory of natural language acquisition. This theory states that the language learning process is more effective if the language is taught directly through direct communication in the language being studied. Direct method application. Number one, during teaching the teacher as the language being taught, while the student's language may not be assured. 2. Cause a topic according to the level of ability of student. 3. Then the teacher say word or syntax according to the ability level of student by asking for if needed. 4. The material is adapted to the level of development and ability of student and begins with words that student can understand. Example is number one. The teacher opens the lesson by directly speaking, greeting, and asking about the lesson at the time. 2. The lesson devolves around I make that is I said to teacher vocabulary. 3. After the vocabulary is learned and understood, the teacher asks the student to read the reading text on the same dance aloud. 4. The lesson can be ended by singing together. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you next video. Bye bye.